Physicians, did you know you can earn CME by reviewing and using concussion care research in your practice? This activity is called Internet Searching and Learning, and it's a time-effective way to earn your CME. Here's how you can earn CME through research. First, think about a problem or gap in your current practice. Let's use the problem, I don't know how to take ADHD into account when looking at patients' impact baseline test clinical reports as an example. So we'll use concussionresearch.com to search for ADHD. A few articles pop up. One of the articles has the exact information we need. Access the article as you normally would. Based on the information in the article, we can now reflect on what we've learned. Select, I want to earn CME credits, and select the Get CME for one activity option. Each activity is worth 0.5 AMA PRA Category 1 credits. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Scroll down and we'll enter the information needed to get AMA PRA Category 1 credits. First, our clinical question. How should I take ADHD into account when looking at patients' impact baseline test clinical reports? Second, the article that helped us answer our question. You can simply copy and paste the title of the article. Third, what will you do differently in your practice as a result of the activity? Think about how this information will influence your practice. Let's say, I will examine impact baseline test clinical reports more closely for students with ADHD to ensure test validity prior to the start of the athletic season. Then, simply click Request My Credit, proceed to checkout, enter your credit card information, and place your order. You'll receive an email confirmation with your CME information listed. It's that easy. If you're already doing research to improve your practice, you can now earn CME credits for it. Get started today.